วัสดีค่ะ Hi guys, I'm Katie and I'm going to show you how to make the most popular Thai drink, Thai iced tea, or we call cha yen in Thai. Cha means tea and yen means cool or ice. So basically cha yen means iced tea and it's from Thailand then become Thai iced tea. A lot of people go out to the restaurant to get it, but it's kind of pricey. What if you can make it yourself at home? Even better, right? So how you gonna make it yourself at home? Super easy and simple. All you need to have is coffee maker. Or if you don't have coffee maker, then you can boil in the pot as well. And I will show you how to do both. This is Thai tea powder. They have so many brands out there. Just find one of them. It's all the same. 1 cup of sugar and 8 cups of water, or the maximum level of this coffee pot or coffee tea. Half and half, or you can also use coconut milk or unsweetened milk. And this is paper filter. I'm going to use 1 or 2 layers, so make sure the liquid can go through this. So, and then put 1 cup of Thai tea powder and put this basket back into the coffee pot and pour 8 cups of water in the pot. And put this pot back just to catch the water. And close it and turn on the button. And wait until the liquid that you can see the oranges hot tea come out at the same level of this water that you already pour in at the beginning. Then all you need to do is just wait. Liquid come out, the orange is hot tea. Then I'm going to pour in this big bowl. You see how the color, the oranges. And I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar when the hot tea is still hot, and keep stirring until sugar is melt. After sugar melt, let them sit until they cool off. And this one can give you 7 to 10 servings. Here's another way to making Thai iced tea. I'm using the same amount, 8 cups of water. After the water is boiling, then add 1 cup of Thai tea powder. Let them boil another 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't need to be that long. Okay, after boiling for 1 or 2 minutes, I'm going to separate the liquid from the powder by using these 3 layers of paper filter, and this is calendar and the big bowl. So using these layers, scoop it up and put in here. This is take time a little bit because it's a little bit hot. So keep doing, and liquid can go through the filter. Continue doing until finish. After separate the powder from liquid, so here I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and stir it up just for sugar melt. So after sugar melted, then let them sit until they cool off. And also this one can give you 7 to 10 servings as well. Here I have the cups of ice, and I'm going to pour orange Thai tea in these cups. I'm not adding too full because I need the room for some creamy, like half and half, or some milk. See? And I'm going to add half and half. This one you can add as much as you like. And here, Thai iced tea. And let me test. Ooh. This is oranges pastel drink, Thai iced tea. You can feel some sweetness, richness, and supposed to be refreshing drink. You have to try on your own. And also you can put the rest in container and put in refrigerator at least for 1 week. And you can have it for later. If you like my video, please like and share or subscribe for the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you then.